My name is Ananya Gupta. I study in Vasant Valley Public School, class 2nd. I am 7 years old. All students make do some special. I am want to doctor.
My name is Guru Singh. I study in Vasant Valley Public School, Adda. I read in 2nd class. मैं एक CBI अफसर बनना चाहता हूँ. मैं देश की सेवा करना चाहता हूँ. मैं सारे क्राइम्स को रोकना चाहता हूँ.
And my name is Jaspreet. I read in 2nd Jupiter in Vasant Valley Public School, Ladda. मेरे बड़े होने का एम है कि मैं पुलिस ऑफिसर बनना चाहता हूँ और देश की रक्षा करना चाहता हूँ. जय हिंद.
My name is Jasmeet Kaur. I read in 2nd class. I want to be teacher like my mom.
My name is Arpanjot Kaur. I am the student of 2nd class. It is very important to have aim in our life. Without aim in our life is meaningless. So my aim is to become a doctor. I will work hard for it.
My name is Jasmeet Kaur. I study in 2nd class. Life aim make a teacher, so I do the hardly work. I am Vishajit Singh. I am 7 years old. I study in 2nd Pluto. I want to be a doctor to help the poor people.
Today I, Hanu Singh, as a class 2nd natural, is going to speak on my dreams. My dream is like other dream. To achieve goals, I want to become soldier to save my country.
I am Aman Kiran, student of class 2nd Jupiter. My aim in life to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor because I want to serve my country by help the poor people.
My name is Raj Sharma. I am 7-year-old. I read in 2nd class in Vasant Valley Public School, Ladda. My aim is to become police officer so that I can arrest the criminals.
My name is Manvir Kaur. I am a 7 years old. I study in Vasant Valley Public School. I study in 2nd Jupiter. My aim is to become a teacher and I want to get off ignorance.
My name is Purekamjot Singh. I study in 2nd Jupiter in Vasant Valley Public School, Ladakh District, Sangrur. I want to share my aim of life. I want to be a teacher because a teacher is nation builder. A teacher is just like a candle who burns himself and light others.
Everyone has a dream in his life. My dream is to become a soldier. I want to serve the country.
Everyone has different aim in life. The doctor play a major role in our life. They are very hardworking and polite. I want to become doctor to serve my country and people.
My name is Navish Mansur, student of class 2nd standard. Today I am going to tell about my aim of life. I want to become a pilot. It's my childhood dream. My family members also want to become pilot. One day I want to fly a big airplane. I will work hard to fulfill my dream.
My name is Kushan Singh. I am studying in Vasant Valley Public School, Ladda. My class name is 2nd Junior. मैं बड़े होकर आर्मी अफसर बनना चाहता हूँ और कर अपने देश की रक्षा करना चाहता हूँ.
My name is Harnoor Kaur. I study in class 2nd Pluto. My aim in life is to become a good teacher. I shall teach in a school and give my students
the gift of knowledge. It is a noble professional.
My name is Sidpit Kaur. As everyone has dream, I too have a dream. I dream become a teacher. It is noble profession. The teacher's power to change the world. Teachers like our parents. For her, I work very hard to fulfill my dream.
My name is Yublin Kaur. My speak is my aim. Aim is life is very important. It gives us a direction for our careers. My aim in life is to become a doctor. Then I become a doctor. I will be very kind to the poor and needy people.
My name is Dilpreet Kaur. I am 8 years old. I am studying in secondary in Vasant Valley Public School, Ladda Sangrur. I love skating and dancing. I want to be a bank PO in the future.
My name is Paramveer Kaur Deol. I study in second unit. My school name is वसंत वैली पब्लिक स्कूल लड्डा। मैं बड़ी होकर एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए मुझे लोगों की मदद करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है।
My name is Ekambir Singh. I am 8 years old. I study in Vasant Valley Public School, Ladda. I read in second class. My aim life is a dresser. My dream is pilot.
My name is Sajpreet Singh. I study in second Jupiter, edition number 4596. मैं बड़ा होकर आर्मी बनना चाहता हूँ। मैं लोगों की रक्षा करूँगा और लोगों की भला करूँगा और लोगों की भला करूँगा और दुश्मनों का नाश करूँगा।
My name is Monisha Singh Khatra. I am studying in class second. My aim in life is I want to become a teacher like my mom.
My name is Rajkar, studying in class second Neptune. I am going to speak some lines on our dreams and aim. Every person has some dreams and wants to become a big star. I have also some dreams and I want to become a IPS officer. So think big, believe big, act big, and the result will be big.
मैं गुरप्रीत सिंह अपने जीवन में फौजी बनना चाहता हूँ। मैं अपने दादाजी के साथ मिलकर मोर्चे बनाता हूँ। मैं फौजियों की फिल्में बहुत ज़्यादा देखता हूँ। मैं अपने देश का और अपने माता पिता का नाम चमकाना चाहता हूँ।
My name is Japsimranjeet Singh. I study in class second in Vasant Valley Public School. My aim is that I become to a IPS officer. I want to do something to my country.
My name is Namanpreet Singh, class second Neptune. मैं बड़ा होकर आर्मी अफसर बनना चाहता हूँ। मैं पढ़ाई में अच्छे अंक पाकर प्राप्त करके देश की सेना में शामिल होना चाहता हूँ। मैं फौजी बनकर देश की रक्षा करना चाहता हूँ। ये शिक्षा मुझे मेरे पापा जी से मिली। मैं चाहता हूँ मेरे माता पिता को मुझ पर गर्व हो। मैं बड़ा होकर एक अच्छा और ईमानदार आर्मी अफसर बनना चाहता हूँ। जय हिंद।
I am Pavit from second Neptune. As I grow, I wish to become a human being in true sense and with each passing day be a better person than yesterday. I want to become a police officer and be the one whom people can gladly approach without fear. I will fight the social evils and crimes in society honesty and integrity